and 70 mm, has a simple span of 7.3 meters, and is loaded by a uniform load of 45 kN per meter. Loading is already failed axle brake. Now the pre-stressing tendon is curved as shown and produces an effective stress of 1,620 kN. Compute the fiber stresses in the concrete at the mid-span section. So sa previous example na ito, ang tendon or ang stress na to is horizontal lang. And most of this will be magawa sa horizontal. Horizontal, wala po kita niya. Okay, then wala po sa deflection ng gawas. But, ako na pressure, nag-incline siya. But, if mag-solve ka sa mga stresses, same na. The same way. Same lang, no? Mura lang siya horizontal. But this, kami, nakita na ito, is that adore siya matter if mag-solve the deflection. Okay, but if you are computing for the stresses, as is na. Same lang. Same lang for my horizontal. Okay, so ako yung compute class. So, then so na lang, may maximum moment. So, to did those. Maximum moment is ilan? So, it is being stated that weight is included, no? So, no need to compute first. So, maximum moment is 45 times 7.3. So, compute ko sa nato ang maximum moment. So, it's 5. Is the maximum moment. That is 299.76 kilonewton meter. And due to this maximum moment, kakuha taro flexural stress, no? So, dua na flexural stress sa top, flexural stress sa bottom fiber. This is due to gravity load na lang. Mag-mention ko na ilang sa iyo. So, sa top is the same naman sila, no? This is 6M, this is rectangular times the formula of 6M pH. Right? So sa top again, this is gravity load. So positive movement. So ito siya. Tension sa ubos. Ito ba? Tension sa ubos, compression sa taas. So I will take compression as positive and tension as negative. So meaning this is plus, and this is negative 6 mPh per minute. Ilan? Should be 6. 6.39. So yes, that was 6.39. 6.39. So same lang sila, with that, assign is compression sa taas and negative tension. So that is due to the gravity load. So dito, like I mentioned earlier. Then next is due to stress. Due to stress. So, kinaya itong moment. So, natin stressing force times eccentricity. So, stressing force na to is 160 Newton times the eccentricity 0.145. So, the moment na tumakbo due to pre-stress is 234.9 na. Now, anong tanawon, yung neutral axis, no? Neutral axis sa dapit ang tendon. Nasa ubos, no? So, meaning, it will tend to beat the beam, no? In the direction. So, meaning, ang tension sa ubos, nasa taas, compression sa ubos. No? Sakto ba? So, this is due to pressure. Pero sa due to pre-stress, duwa ka stress at ang experience ng mga action plus pressure. Sa action natay compression. No? So, that is, what is 20 over, this 20, 550 na. So, 500 times 750. Then, I will multiply this with power 3 na para maging Pascal mo gawas. Plus 6m, 6234.9 times 10 to the power of 6. 6m being squared. That up. 500 times 750. So top lang sa. Sa top, positive as compression, tension. This is negative sa tulak. Negative na siya. So, pinag-stress sa top. Check ito. Zero point six nine. This is negative, no? So meaning this is tension. So bottom, this will be what siya? A flash, no? .88. And this is pressure. Okay, dito to pressure. Now, since ang ipangita is fiber stresses, so we need to combine both the dead load and the phase stress. So if top, it should be 6.39 minus 0.6912. And sa bottom, it should be negative 6.39 plus 9.8. So F top is 6.39 minus 0.6. Nakay 5.699 na. That is positive conversion. Negative 6.39 plus 9.8. Ilan eh? 2.4. Ano is nasa babaw? Ano yan? Sige, ito. Kung saan ang experience sa top fiber? Home? Question. Okay, so we're done with that.